Bitopi, a Bengali word which means a large tree with thick foliage which provides shade. The group was incepted in the year 1968 with Bitopi Advertising and later in 1984 diversified into ready-made garment sector with Misami Garments Limited. Today, Bitopi Group has 4 strategic business units under the umbrella of Silk Route Sourcing Limited and 1 more in the launching phase. Bitopi Group has 14,000 skilled professionals where RMG specialists are working continuously to reach a production quantity of 2.6 million pieces per month. Our core products are trousers, shorts, outerwear, jackets, shirts for men, women and children. We work with the topmost brands who span around the world. With visionary leadership and professionals, Bitopi Group is run to achieve excellence in the ready-made garments manufacturing industry. We give highest importance to technology in our production process. BIS, ERP and 3D softwares ensure the technological strength. Our highly experienced R&D experts are always thinking and innovating products to fulfill the desire of our clients. We have 4 state-of-the-art production units which are Remy Holdings Limited, the flagship brand of Bitopi Group. It has been acclaimed as the world's #1 highest-rated green factory. Remy Holdings has zero waste emission and all solid wastes are converted to energy.
The ranking itself is not what is important. What is important is the principles that have gone behind every decision that we have taken. And the principles are simply that we wanted our workers to have a working atmosphere, a climate which was conducive to their health, conducive to productivity, conducive to better communication.
Misami Garments Limited is the brainchild of Bitopi Group, where all innovation, product design and development takes place. Tarasima Apparels Limited has been honored as the highest green factory by US Green Building Council. Tarasima Apparels Limited has also won a number of awards and certifications in supply chain management for the very first time in Bangladesh. Baridhi Garments Limited, located in Kumilla EPZ, equipped in manufacturing seamed sealed outdoor quilted padded jackets. Parallel to this, the group is also launching another unit which is Croydon Kowloon Designs Limited. From design to finished products, Bitopi Group blends execution excellence and technology to get the top quality garment products as per the desired deadlines of clients and customers. Bitopi Group is very particular about social responsibility. This is taken care of by advanced washing machine plant, incineration boiler, biogas plant, natural lighting system, skylight, solar power systems, LED lighting, rainwater harvesting and nano catalysts oxidation technology. By applying these innovations today, Bitopi Group is being able to achieve 30% water reduction, 50% carbon footprint reduction, 40% power consumption reduction, 40% waste reduction and 100% waste recycling. The group is also the first in Bangladesh for zero liquid discharge. We are proud to work with our key partners who are topmost in the global development scene and also achieving a number of awards and certifications. Bitopi Group cares for its people, so we ensure safety usage of equipment and practice as per compliance. We also have recruitment policies for the differently abled people. Our dreams do not end here. Bitopi Group has future plans of setting up 781 kilowatt peak grid-tie solar system project which will reduce electricity from the national grid. Bitopi Group continues to provide shade for the people, environment and the country.